This thing was custom built for Rob over at DS18. It's supposed to be neon pink or hot pink, but of course we don't have that color in actual acrylic, so we had to shoot the backside of some clear acrylic to make it happen. It's not really popping super hard over the black base plate as a hot pink, but as you'll see here in a second when you watch this video, it does end up popping real hard. Don't mind the dog hair on here. We have a husky in the shop, our shop dog. Ignore that little dog hair in between the magnets. It's not being harmed at all. So let's see what this looks like when the black light hits it. Go ahead. Woo! It's hard to see that on camera, but it's glowing like crazy. Turn it off? Yeah. Turn it on? Off? On? Yeah.